Paleo Nick here. I've got 2 packs of mushrooms that I picked up at Costco, and I'm dedicating this one to my friend Elena, who saw these chanterelles at Costco, but didn't buy them because she didn't know what to do with them. So we're gonna make maple glazed mushrooms, one of my favorite side dishes. So you'll wanna stick around because we're gonna get funky on some shrooms. All right, so these here are creminis. They're pretty run-of-the-mill. You can find those anywhere. But the chanterelles, they only really come around once, they come around in the fall, right? Once a year. And I'll just show you what to do. When you get them, you see they have these little pine needles in here, a little bit of dirt. And these are actually clean compared to what they look like when you find them. So just go the extra mile and give them one last rinsing. All right, so I'm just gonna start the pan here. And then just talk a little bit about price and quantity. So we have this much. These are pretty heavy by weight, and I'd say by volume we have probably twice as many creminis for less than half the price. This was 10 bucks, these were 4, and that's why I'm pairing them together so that we can get a little bit more bulk out of our $10 mushroom purchase. All right, you guys follow that? As far as cutting these guys here, I'm gonna leave. You can see how that would be similar shaped. That one's even all right. That one's gonna pass the test. But you get into something like this, I'll just cut it in half. Just like that. All right, and they break down. They're full of potassium, vitamin D, vitamin C, healthy, and it's really fun to hunt for them too. Okay, over to our pan. Let me grab some garlic. Garlic and olive oil. It's a great start to pretty much anything except a bowl of cereal. A little handful in there. Just toast this up quickly. And then we've got half of a large onion diced up. If you need to know how to dice an onion, then just check the how to dice an onion post, all right? There you go, so this is starting to toast a little bit. You wanna get in there and see where? Right there, see that? There you go. So onions are gonna go in. Get that going. Little salt to help draw the moisture out of the onions. We'll let that cook for 2 minutes at 421. We'll check back in. 421, as promised, we're back. Woo! Time to get the mushrooms going. Give that a little toss. Get that stuff coming over the top. And then here I have a little rendered bacon fat. I'm gonna sneak in the side here. A little bit more right there, and we'll just go one more. All right, so now the goal is to get the mushrooms to release their moisture without burning. And that fat will help do that. It'll also provide some flavor. And once they start to break down, we'll catch you up on what's going on. All right, so it's been about 6 minutes. These guys rolling on high, and you can see how much moisture has come out of them. So our goal now is to reduce that down to concentrate the flavor, kind of reconstitute it back into the shrooms. At this point, I'm gonna add a little bit of maple syrup. It's inspired, this movie is inspired by Elf. The movie, it's coming up, it's Christmas time. He loves syrup, and I think that dude's hilarious. So, syrup. Anyways, there, and then some salt and pepper, kosher salt. And pepper. Go. Let that cook down and we'll check back in a few. All right, so I got some cilantro back here. Maybe about that much, 1/4 of an 1/8 of a bunch, something like that. And then if you look at our shrooms here, they're getting down there. It's been about 5 more minutes. And I'm gonna give them a taste. Bam, see what happens. Love it, love it. Anything sweet, right? I think we're gonna let these go. I'm gonna say we'll go 2 more minutes. We'll check back in at 4:35 and they'll be ready to plate at that time. In the meantime, I'm gonna hack up this cilantro. All right, we're back here. A little bit more reduction going. The moisture's almost gone. I'm going in with the cilantro. One last toss. And there it is. Bring it right on over here. This is the Maple Mushroom Medley by Paleo Nick, huh? How about that? You could call this a psychedelic side dish, and I guarantee your friends would love this one. So again, I'm Paleo Nick. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep it paleo.